Hey guys.
Hey everybody.
Welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
YaadMentz Tries.
Yes. So today we have a new product. I think it's new because I haven't seen it on the market. So.
But before we tell them what it is,
right.
You're gonna tell them what.
Right. So before we continue this video, we implore you to hit that subscription button.
Yes,
we want you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can get notification as soon as we drop a new video.
Right.
So you don't have to come on YouTube and search and say, yeah, Wanda. You just get the notification ding on your phone. So yes, we have a new episode for you guys.
Wait, but we never tell them, say, guys, if you like this video, please remember to give us a thumb up.
Yes.
Also, leave your comments about suggestions, about things that you want us to try in the comment box.
Yes.
And also remember to share it with friends. Like, the more you share it, the more people see us, and the more we can bring in more great content. Alright, go on, boom.
Right, so continue on what I was saying before I was interrupted. Alright, so we're doing yes, I was interrupted. So we're doing Cranberry Wata. They have a sparkling version of the Cran Wata.
And we would have done a video previously on Waters, Cran Watas. I think the most recent one we did was on their peach flavored.
Really? Right, yeah, because it was new.
And we will link those videos in the iCards up above so you guys can check out those videos if you haven't also. Right. So we're really excited to try this one. Yeah, sparkling. What is sparkling water though?
Well, I mean, I'm searching
What's really
Google.
the difference between...
I don't really know. I'm searching Google to see if I can see. Something says here, carbonated water or soda water is water containing dissolved carbon dioxide gas, either artificially injected under pressure or occurring due to natural geological process.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like it basically is going to be like it going to have the same essence of like the Cran Wata, but it's going to be like a little bit carbonated.
So I mean, you think it's like well, I don't know, but you think it's they're trying to say it's a fancier taste to your water?
Maybe. I mean, maybe give your water a little something, and not to say that cranberry water already don't give you water a little something, you know what I mean? But maybe give it a little something, a little bubble or something.
Well,
yeah, let me see what it says on it.
It is a product of Jamaica, BTW.
Right, it's a product of Jamaica. It has 59 calories, no fat, 11 grams of sodium or milligrams of sodium, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 15 grams of sugars, and it says includes 15 grams of added sugars, protein 0. Ingredients: carbonated water, cane sugar, red cranberry juice from concentrate, red grape juice, citric acid, natural cranberry flavor. Yeah, basically. And
it says at the bottom it contains real fruit juice. You will see that on the B-roll.
But we will know if it's really carbonated, because if you open it, you'll probably hear. Yeah. Like when you open a soda, you hear that. Yeah. So let's see.
The color.
It does look bubbly, like sparkling. What do we call that? Sparkling champagne.
Yeah.
It kind of have that kind of look there, to be honest. All right, enough for choose all right.
It done anyway.
Wow. And I think this is two. You're supposed to get 2 serving bottles. But everybody just drink one bottle. All right.
Sparkling water.
It does smell like cranberry and grape too in a way. It smells like grape in a way to me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't really fool around soda. If you guys know me out there, I don't really fool around soda.
It does have that bubbly vibes.
Ooh. Yeah.
Right.
It does have that kind of carbonated taste, acidic taste
that
to it.
Fizziness.
Fizziness to it. But it's not sweet. It's not like a soda where soda's sweet.
It's not sweet.
So it still has the cranberry water essence. I would say. So it's not like overly sweet or anything. But
the fizziness to it kind of give it a little kick that I did not expect, which is different. It can be if you don't want to buy soda with that strong sugariness, that strong fizziness to it. This can be an alternative to that.
Right, and I think it would have less sugar than soda.
Because sodas are more like 25 grams of sugar up to like 44. This is like 15 grams of sugar.
Right.
So I think it's a better alternative route. The price,
especially if you're trying to cut down on like your sugars and your sodas and them stuff.
Right, but you want
something that are really good for you.
Right, but you want that fizziness. The price is $77, which a Pepsi,
Jamaican dollars.
77 Jamaican dollars, which a Pepsi or another soda brand would be like, I think it's around the same price.
Oh, okay.
The same price. On the road, they might even sell it for $150 up, because we bought this in the supermarket. So normally supermarket prices are relatively low than if you go in the streets and you buy it at like a stall or something like that. But again, it's
not bad. You guys should check it out. It would be nice if they had because they have different flavors of the cranberry water. It would be nice for them to get it in like cran grape and cran peach and the other ones that them have. But I guess it's just a starter, to find,
if
a
people
feeler
will
to find out if people will actually buy it, if people will enjoy it. I mean, it's a cool thing if you're having a little shindig and you want to be a little fancy, and you don't necessarily want to go up to the sparkling champagne and or the wine or whatever,
Right,
it's a nice little thing that you can have.
It is.
You know
it is.
What I mean?
To think about.
Even for children, I believe that children will be able to drink this and it won't be so harsh.
Right, it's not so harsh.
Yeah,
yes,
so
the fizziness is not so harsh.
It's a nice idea. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
But the question of the day is, would you give them a YaadMentz thumb up, halfway thumb, or thumb down?
Listen, people, fans, I will definitely give Sparkling Cranberry Wata a thumbs up. I'll definitely give it a thumbs up.
I would give it a thumbs up also, just because I think it's a cool idea, know. Everybody kind of trying to be a little bit more health conscious and stuff, but you don't want to at the same time lose the fact that you want a little fizzy here and there.
You want something. You want something sweet. Sometimes your blood sugar might run low, and you like the fizziness.
Yeah.
This is definitely that alternative.
Yeah,
if I should do something like that.
Yeah.
So
it's nice. I like it. Yeah, I definitely buy it again, and I'm hoping that they will come up with the other flavors.
Right, because I love
we love the cran grape.
Cran grape is definitely our favorite.
Yeah.
So if they come out with cran grape, we'll be buying it by the cases.
And who's the distributor of this again?
Wasinko.
So pick up yourself, Wasinko. If you're watching, let us know. And guys, when we post this preview on Instagram, remember to tag Wasinko and tag Cran Wata so that I can see that we did this review. And if you guys have seen it and tried it, let us know what your thoughts were.
Right. If you did enjoy this video again, please give us a like, please give us a share and comment below. If you see something out there, any suggestions, let us know so we can go out there and try. But we'll still continue to scan the market and see what we find and give our take on the new products or products that are already out there. So guys, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. This is YaadMentz Tries.